Hello, my friends. How are you today? I hope you're having a really good day. This is Teacher Nada, your teacher for the session. All right, so our title for today is Free Time Activities. Okay, like things that we love to do in our free time. Okay, that's great. So let's just see you in the learning outcomes. Yes, okay. So simply, these are things you're supposed to know by the end of the session. So let me read them for you. So by the end of the session, you will be able to, number one, talk about free time activities using I like plus verb ing. Two, use correct grammar when describing hobbies and interests. Three, expand vocabulary related to free time activities. Okay, that's great. All right, and now let's just jump into the warm-up activity. So here we have three images. I just need to ask you, what are these people doing? Yes? So the first person, he is, yes, baking or cooking. Yes, thank you. What about the second one? Yes, he's swimming. Good job. And number three. Yeah, a girl like taking photographs. Thank you. That's awesome. Okay, well, right now you have to go and watch a video for 3 times. And when we'll come back, you have to answer these 3 questions. But first, before watching, I need you to read the questions. All right? So question 1, what does Hannah like to do? Question 2, what free time activity does Omar enjoy? 3, what else does Omar do in his free time? Okay, that's awesome. So now please go and watch the video for 3 times and then I'll wait for you.
What do you do in your free time?
I like reading books. What about you?
I enjoy playing video games. It's exciting.
That sounds fun. Do you play every day?
Yes, but I also like playing football with my friends. What do you do in your free time?
I like reading books. What about you?
I enjoy playing video games. It's exciting.
That sounds fun. Do you play every day?
Yes, but I also like playing football with my friends. What do you do in your free time?
I like reading books. What about you?
I enjoy playing video games. It's exciting.
That sounds fun. Do you play every day?
Yes, but I also like playing football with my friends.
Okay, welcome back. So, question 1, what does Hannah like to do? Exactly, she likes reading books. Good job. Question 2, what free time activity does Omar enjoy? Yes, playing video games. Good. Question 3, what else does Omar do in his free time? Yes, he plays football with his friends. Good job. Perfect. Okay, so yeah, let's see you in the vocabulary part. Okay, and now we will learn some words related to our topic, which is activities in our free time. So the first one is swimming. Okay, please repeat after me. Swimming, swimming, swimming. Good job. Well, then we have reading, reading, reading. Perfect. Well, then we have playing video games. Playing video games. Playing video games. Good job. Then we have baking, 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 like to make cakes, Good job. Okay, cycling, cycling, cycling. Yes, to ride your bike. Okay, we have drawing, drawing, drawing. Perfect. We have watching movies, watching movies, watching movies. Good job. Then we have playing the piano, playing the piano, playing the piano. Yeah. So let me ask you, do you like music? Yes, you do? Okay, great. Well, then we have gardening, 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 like to take care of your garden, plant flowers, water the flowers, and so on. Yeah. Then we have skating, skating, Skating. Good job. Doing puzzles. Doing puzzles. Doing puzzles. Playing basketball. Playing basketball. Yes. Okay, that's so good. And let's just go to our first practice. So yeah, simply we have like some sentences and some words. We just need to match them together. All right. So yes, here we are. First one, moving in the water for fun. It means swimming. Thank you. Two, making pictures with a pencil. Mm-hmm. Yes, drawing. Good job. Okay. Then we have watching stories on a screen. Yes, watching movie. Okay. Cooking cakes and cookies. Baking. Good job. Playing games on a computer. Yes, playing video games. Good job. Riding a bike. Like to ride your bike. Exactly, cycling. Good job. Well, growing plants and flowers. Thank you, gardening. Very good. Playing an instrument with black and white keys. Yes, playing the piano. Good job. Well, solving picture pieces, like to have small pieces, put them together to form a picture. Exactly, doing puzzles. Thank you so much. Yes. Okay. By the way, you're doing so great. Keep up the good work. Okay, and now let's see you in the phonics part. All right. Yeah, welcome back. So here we have to learn more about hobby words using ing. So let's focus on how verbs change when we add ing. For example, if I have a verb called swim and I added ing, it will be swimming. Okay? Swimming. Read, reading, reading. Bake. Of course, when you add the ing, you will drop the e. So just like baking, so it's baking. Baking. Good job. And cycle, yeah, just change the e into ing. Yeah. So instead of cycle, it will be cycling. Cycling. Good job. And by the way, we don't pronounce the G strongly. Like, try to like drop it a little bit, swimming, reading, and so on. Thank you. So yeah, I'll see you in the reading part. Okay, now we have a small text. We just need to read it together. So, people do different activities in their free time. Some enjoy active hobbies like swimming or cycling. Others prefer quiet activities like reading or doing puzzles. Some hobbies help you learn, like playing the piano, while others keep you healthy, like playing basketball. Free time activities make life fun and exciting. Okay, that's awesome. Well, let's just answer a couple of questions. So, question one, what are two active hobbies in the passage? Yes, exactly. Swimming and cycling. Good job. Question two, which hobbies help you learn? Mm-hmm. Yes, exactly, like playing the piano. Well, and how do hobbies make life better? Yes, exactly. They make life fun and exciting. Thank you so much. All right, let's just go and see on the grammar part. All right, so let's learn how can we use the present simple for hobbies or activities. So the rule is just simple. Use I like plus verb ing to speak or talk about your hobbies. For example, I like swimming. He likes playing football. She likes playing guitar. Right? Good, good. Also, we have another rule. Use he or she enjoys plus verb ing for others. Right? So, for example, she enjoys watching movies, or as written here, he enjoys playing football. They love watching movies. All right? So you just add enjoy or love, okay? or like plus verb ing. But if the subject or the person was he, she, or it, or any singular person, we just add s. For example, he likes, she loves, she enjoys, and so on. All right? Okay, good. Okay, let's go for our second practice. And simply, all you have to do is just to choose the correct answer. All right, let's do it together. So yeah, question 1. I like in the summer. Exactly, swimming in the summer. Good job. Question 2. She enjoys books. Yes, reading books. Good job. 3. They love video games. Playing. Thank you. 4. He likes movies. Yes, watching. Good job. 5. We enjoy in the park. Cycling. Good job. Number 6. My sister loves cakes. Baking cakes. Good job. 7. Do you like pictures? Yes, drawing. Good job. And yeah, that's it. So yeah, now I will see you in the speaking part. Okay, so simply I just need you to choose 3 hobbies and like say 3 sentences for each of them. Of course, using I like plus verb ing. For example, you would say I like swimming, reading, baking, and so on. My favorite hobby is drawing. I love making pictures. So try to add like more details while speaking about your hobbies. Okay, good, good. So yeah, let me ask you, what did you learn today? That's awesome. Good job. Well, and this actually marks the end of our session for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next session, inshallah. Don't forget to do your homework. Bye.